Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome back home. So we are entering the land of after school evening, and I thought I would take you through a semi-typical kind of night in our house and what that looks like. It's not gonna be glamorous. It's not gonna be all beautiful and like slow-mos. It's gonna be some realness. We got some snacks, we got some goldfish. Tonight's dinner, we are testing out an Instant Pot recipe. We got some baby back ribs. We're gonna give it a go here. So,
I'm an Instant Pot.
Why don't you go Insta iPad? Let's go do that for a bit. Kids are off doing their thing. I've just unloaded the lunch bins, the lunch boxes, and of course, put them away. I like to get them out of sight until later this evening when I make the new lunches. So we are going to try this dinner. Got my little ponytail. This means I'm working. Do I make dinner every night? No. I have an awesome husband who does a lot of cooking. I'm not opposed to takeout, but I'm trying to do something new this year where I cook at least twice a week. Can I do it? We're not sure. But let's give this recipe a go. Got the recipe on Pinterest here. It's saved on my Pinterest page. Baby back ribs, sorry if you're a vegan or vegetarian. We're starting with the rub, so we're gonna get that going, and we're gonna give this a go here. I am new to the Instant Pot land, and I have not had success with this Instant Pot, so I'm hoping that this breaks the curse. I gotta find some garlic powder, so I thought I would show you real life what that looks like. There's no garlic powder. Damn. There we go, there's the rub. So now I gotta rub this on this. And they are doing some sort of, what are you guys building?
We're building a butt shakes.
Okay. She's making a glitter bottle. Awesome.
A rainbow.
And Dean is sewing a blanket that has ripped. Yeah, it's my life. That's pretty cool looking. Esme's doing experiments. All right, we've got the Instapot on. I'm about to clean up this mess here. Pray it works. So meat, 25 minutes, and then you put it in the oven for a bit to broil. I'm gonna start some mashed potatoes and then decide on some vegetables. Let's do. Oh boy, this is quite the thing, isn't it? P.S. These are not washable, so.
What? But it's on my hand.
I know. We're gonna have to Google ways to get acrylic paint off your hands, or you're just gonna look like artists for the next couple of days.
But how am I? Can we get these off?
Yeah, it'll come off.
Then why did you say you can't?
I may have taken a little bite.
You took a bite.
I did, but it was last night. It was, but here's why. Here's why. You want to know why? Because I made your lunch and I wanted a present. Busted. Busted. Wait, those ribs look good. I gotta just show you. Disregard how dirty my oven looks, but like, oh yeah. All right, let's take those out. My family has disappeared and they're currently practicing martial arts jabs and blocks. I don't know. This is standard in my life. I think this is finally a recipe that has worked, and I am thrilled. Of course, my family disappeared right at the time to set the table. Little stinkers. It's a good thing they're all cute, I tell you that much.
Ooh. Wow. Oh.
You guys, I think the third recipe was the charm. Fall off the bone lovely. I'm excited to eat. Yeah.
When it's fried, it flies.
Oh. Dinner was a success. Yes.
We'll get it when we come back.
We did it. Me and the Instant Pot. Because I made two previous recipes that were total bombs. I went a little too advanced, let me tell you. So I went back to basics. Ribs were awesome. That's officially on my list of will make again. These guys, ooh, English muffins. Handsome. These guys are off to the grocery store to get some snacks because the kids have taken up martial arts, which is awesome. It's kind of the catch-all area.
Doggy martial arts.
No kidding. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly tidy, well, not quickly, it's mostly tidy. I'm a tidier as I go kind of person, as you can see behind me. I've already loaded the dishwasher. I'm just gonna wipe down surfaces, make myself a cup of coffee, and then I shall take down the Christmas tree because it is long enough and Ukrainian Christmas is done as of yesterday. Dean's mom is Orthodox, so they like to keep it up. Cool. Oh no, put her down.
But I love her.
Oh, be careful. Okay, careful with her. She likes to jump. Whew. Little fatso potato head. All right, let's clean up. I try to empty this when it gets like this, otherwise it starts to overflow and it's horrible. So out it goes. And then I also have this food, like wet food kind of recycling. And then I put one of these bags in the main bin, which is like a big green bin. And anyway, a little recycling action. I did want to say one thing in regards to the chaos of the earlier craft, because I know a lot of moms and dads struggle with mess. And I just want to say that, like, it's all cleaned up and the paint came off and the paint came off their hands. And I know it can be frustrating and you're just like, oh, it's the last thing I want to do is clean up your mess. But it's also kind of fun to get your kids to do something creative like that. So it doesn't need to be acrylic paint, for the love of God, but it can be other things, and we can help encourage our kids to like pick up after themselves. Did they pick it all up? No. Dean had to step in. But like this, by the way, is from a previous craft, whatever. This table is just like, it's not my forever table. The table I have as my kids are little and they're gonna destroy stuff. And so it doesn't really bother me. And I know I sometimes get comments from people like, how did you let that happen? But here's the thing. If you think about when you were a kid, and you know, you're not letting your kids get away with murder or anything like that, but just to allow that creativity to flow, I think it's just really important. And sometimes we have to sort of put our weird anxieties and just move them to the side, as difficult as it may be, and just let it happen, you know? So that's a fun little parenting chat for tonight. Okay, it's 10 to 7. I'm gonna have a coffee. I've cleaned the kitchen. The kids are on their way home. I was gonna take down the tree, but now I might be a little tired. So Dean might have been right. He was like, it's too late, do the tree tomorrow. So I think I'll tackle it in the morning because I did want to do a little bit of home reading with Esme. So we'll see how the rest of this night pans out. Coffee time. Ooh, that's good.
Food again. I'm going out for dinner. Black Cat went down the
Okay, so as usual, I pile things on the stairs that need to go up, and it is bath time, and so all of this, did I get it all? Almost. Let's go. Bath time. Let's go, humans.
We're fixing this thing.
Bath time.
No, it's not bath.
Yes, it is. You're stinky.
It's not bath.
So normally I make my bed in the morning, and somehow I forgot to do that today. Also, when I give the kids their baths, I tend to, because they're big now, they just sit in the tub and do their thing, and I'll go around and actually tidy up because I cannot go to bed with this kind of stuff. This kind of stuff makes my brain a little bit crazy. So I clean that up and put it all away while I'm going to bed. Oh God, what's happening?
Mom!
Is it gross?
Mom, look at that!
Ew! What is it? Ew! Daddy's fixing the sink. It's so like full of hair and disgustingness.
It's a rat.
Ah! Ew!
It's a rat!
No, it's hair. Ew! Step 1, nighttime routine. Start taking off your makeup. Sometimes my nighttime routine is very short, and other times I try to start it before the kids go to bed. because I get tired. Anyway, I'm just using an Aveeno makeup remover wipe. Go choose a book. So they have flossed. Anyway, it's been good. Okay, so bedtime, we're gonna do some stories. And their bedroom is somewhat tidy-ish. You're in the wrong bed. All right, we gotta get a book. That's where I sit, reading stories and tickling backs. And that's it. So coffee is ready to go for tomorrow. I've got it set on a timer. I'm hungry, and I have about half an hour, 40 minutes left of work. So I'm going to make an English muffin, go back to my desk, finish that, and then crawl up to bed, read for 10 minutes, and go to sleep. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I just realized I didn't make lunches. But it's pizza day tomorrow.
Do you wanna have a good time tonight? I wanna have a good time tonight. You know we're gonna have a good time tonight. I said we're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's go. I wanna have a good time tonight. I've been working all week and I got no life. All I wanna do is let loose a little, connect with my crew, and then let's move and wiggle to the man on the mix.